Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Google Reviews to Framer. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a live block of Google Reviews showing right inside your Framer canvas, ready to style and position like any other element. All you need is your Framer project open and a shareable URL that displays the reviews you want to embed. Start by opening your project in Framer. In the editor, open the Insert menu. This is where you'll find all the building blocks you can add to your canvas. Move your cursor over the Utilities section to reveal more options. From here, pick the Embed component. Click and drag it onto the canvas, placing it where you want your reviews to appear. Don't worry about exact sizing yet. You can fine-tune it after the content loads. Now switch to the source you'll use for your Google reviews and copy its URL. This could be a share or embed link from a reviews widget, a service that aggregates Google reviews, or a dedicated page that's designed to be embedded. Make sure the link is accessible over HTTPS and intended for embedding. If the provider offers a specific embed or iframe style link, that's usually the most reliable option. Return to Framer and click the embed frame you just placed to ensure it's selected. Look over to the right-hand Properties panel. You'll see a field labeled URL. This is where you control what the embed displays. Paste your copied link into that URL field. Framer will attempt to load a live preview inside the embed frame. Give it a moment. Once it appears, you'll see the reviews right on your canvas. With the preview visible, adjust the embed frame to fit your layout. You can drag the edges to resize or use the Properties panel to set exact dimensions. If your design relies on responsive behavior, check the layout and constraint settings so the embed scales nicely across breakpoints. It often helps to give the embed a bit of extra vertical space so longer reviews aren't clipped. If the content doesn't load, verify that your source allows embedding and doesn't block iframes. Some pages use security headers that prevent embedding. Switching to a provider that offers an explicit embed URL usually resolves this. Also confirm the link is correct and publicly accessible. Once everything looks right, you're done. You've embedded Google Reviews into Framer using the embed component, ready to style and align with the rest of your design.